Perfidy. Behavior that is not loyal. Perfunctory. Done quickly, without taking care or interest. His smile was perfunctory. Perspicacious. Quick in noticing, understanding, or judging things accurately. Prattle. To talk in a silly way or like a child for a long time about things that are not important or without saying anything important. Precipitate. Adjective. If an action is precipitate, it is done sooner or faster than expected and without enough thought or preparation. Precipitate. Verb. To separate, or cause a substance to separate from a liquid as a solid. Precipitate. Verb. To separate, or cause a substance to separate from a liquid as a solid. Prescience. Noun. The ability to know or correctly suggest what will happen in the future.